Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanie from simplelivingmama.com if you don't know me. And today I wanted to share our August morning basket. Even though it's almost September. I meant to do this earlier in the month and time just kind of got away from me. But I'm going to do it now. I'm going to talk about... Okay, so back to what I was saying. It is almost September and I am finishing up our August morning basket, and then we will move into a few new things. If you haven't seen my morning basket videos before, I will link some of those, as well as the blog post where I have all of the details on how I do morning basket with the kids. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we are doing right now in the month of August. At my older morning time loop schedule, I still follow this somewhat, except I am not so lenient on days of the week. Our loop subjects are just done in order on the days that we can get to them. That way we don't miss anything. So this is what we do daily. We do Bible, memory work, math work, and then our read alouds. Home memorization is now done independently with each of my older children. So that is not something that I do during morning time anymore. And then this is what we do on a loop. We do our hymn study. We are not doing science read aloud right now. We're doing science with my father's world. So this is not something that we're doing. I was doing this when we were doing our own unit studies. And when we go back to doing our own unit studies, I will probably add that in. But we do art study, poetry reading, Spanish, nature study and journal, composer study, and then virtue readings. So let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so here's a look at my morning basket. I think I got this basket at Hobby Lobby. And inside I have several of our daily things that we are doing. So we are doing Bible with my father's world, and we are using Hero Tales. And I'm pretty much following their schedule for this. We're doing Hero Tales and Window on the World. Something new that I've started doing is Life of Fred, the elementary series. I'm doing this with all of my elementary aged kids. And we read one chapter every morning, and the kids love it. Now these are fun stories with some math work at the end, and it just sort of gets their brains going in the morning, and they are really enjoying these books. And I think they're just a great addition to our morning time. We are using this as a supplement to our other math curriculum, but it's just fun for us to do this all together. Family Read Aloud is from my father's world as well, except I purchased this from christianbook.com. This is Kingdom Tales, and it's just different chapters. There are discussion questions at the end, and it's been a lot of fun to sit down and read these stories together too. They are really interesting. I like them. The kids seem to like them. So that is what we are doing for our family read aloud right now. This is another one that we have not finished. I started this one during the summer. This is James Harriet's Treasury for Children. These are cute animal stories. I read one probably once every couple of weeks. My daughter especially really likes these stories, and there's lots of pretty pictures in here. So this is definitely a good book to add to your morning time rotation if you are looking for some fun read-alouds for your kids. These are from our My Father's World curriculum too. And really, I don't do these out loud with the kids, but the kids are free to come over to the morning basket and take a look at these if they want to, if they're interested in it, or if I'm reading aloud and they want something to look at. They are free to look at these. So for more of our memory work and our loop work, we have John 3:16 for our scripture. We are also working on Matthew 1:23, I believe. We just started working on that one. Our folk song is The Green Grass Grows All Around. Audrey wants to say something.
This one is my book because I like horses.
Yeah, she likes horses, so. This is one of the poems that my kids are working on independently. It's by Jimmy Phillips. We use the Good and Beautiful Language Arts, so that's where that came from. And right here I have some more stuff that we are doing. So our hymn is Children of the Heavenly Father. Yeah, hang on one second. Memory work, map work, continents and oceans. This is something that we have been working on for a little while, and we are also adding in map work with the 50 states. So that's been interesting. And then we do Spanish. I do Song School Spanish, and we are working on, hang on one second. We are working on counting to 10 in Spanish. So that is what we have going on with that. Let's see. I keep everything in my planner. If you're interested in this planner, I will leave a link for that below because I've done a video and a blog post on that. So we also do artist, composer, and our poet. So I follow Ambleside Online's rotation for the majority of this stuff, and our artist this term is John Constable. So what I've done is I have printed off the current picture of what we're studying. I meant to print it on cardstock, but I didn't, and I didn't reprint it. So what I do is I hang it over there, and then we just talk about the artist, and then we look at the picture, and that's pretty much all we do. For our composer, Carl Maria von Weber probably, I just play the different tracks that are available over on Ambleside. Okay, if I had missed discussing anything that we are currently working on, it will be in a more comprehensive blog post. I'm trying to do this with kids around, so sorry about that if it's kind of choppy, but I'm a homeschool mom and my kids are always with me, so that's just how it is. Let's see, for my kindergartner and my preschooler. So we are currently reading Lavender's Blue. I don't have a specific nursery rhyme that we're working on this month. I do have one planned for September, but we are reading from this book, which this is a pretty book. And it has all kinds of nursery rhymes in it. I've talked a lot about our We Choose Virtues cards. I love these cards. This one is Perseverant. If you're interested, it has a little saying that they can memorize, scripture to go with it, and then on the back it has all kinds of information to help you teach that virtue to your children. So this is the one that we are currently doing. And then my preschool read aloud is Corduroy. All of the kids really like this book. So we've been reading that one and enjoying it. And something I try to do to occupy my kids is have coloring books available. So these are a couple that we have available for my 2-year-old and my 3-year-old. And that's it. If you have any questions about Morning Basket, just leave those down in the comments below. Make sure you go check out that blog post because it will have links to all of our resources. And we will talk to you guys next time.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Yes, give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.